Everyone, this is Shujaj and this is my case tools lab experiment 9 about forward engineering. So here we are going to create a source code from a class diagram for ebook management system. So what is forward engineering? It's basically a process of transforming a model into code through mapping and implementation language. So forward engineering requires application of the software engineering principles, methods and concepts to recreate the existing application. So we'll see the methods and we'll see the class diagram. So this one is the class diagram for the ebook management system. We have 5 classes: the customer, order, book details, seller, and the user. As you can see here, the customer is a part of the user, so it is represented by generalization as it is inherited from the user, and then it is associated with order and book details, and the book details is associated with seller, and this is the class name followed by the class attributes and the methods like what a customer name, address, email, shipping info, and what he can do is login, and many more things are there like he can search, buy and book if he becomes a user. So he can buy, search, return, log out, verify, login by his user ID and password. Then there's the order for order ID, date, shipped, status, and you can place an order. That's the function. Then for the book and the seller. So we'll see how to make a code from this. Basically, is first we go to the model, then we go to profile. We add one of these, like we have already added C++ profile. We include it, and then then we have to generate code as. So we can just go to C++, generate code, and we have to select the design model, and then you can just click on next and follow some of the steps. Like if you click on, see, you can see all the details like book, all the classes I have here. Just click on this and where you want to import that and it will come there. So I've already did it. So here you can see this, all the classes with their CPP files and header files have came here. So as you can see here, as for the book details for seller user, I can show you this thing. Like you can see for the user. Yeah. So here you can see the class user, then what all it contains: string, user ID, password, login status, then what are the methods, that is login, uh, verify login, search, buy, return, logout. This all are the user, and inside the class user. Uh, so this was the header file that contains about this, and these are some of the CPP files also. So you can see these are the steps like I have already stated, and just you have to click on the next button and the code will be automatically generated. So this is one of the, like, the code, like for customer we have this one, and for order also we have. So by this way we can easily create a code from a given class diagram. So that was all about forward engineering. Thank you for